Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to connect Tapswap to Solflare wallet. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up your Telegram and then search for Tapswap bot. So if you search for Tapswap bot, just open up the Tapswap bot here and then start the bot. So once you start the bot here, it's going to take you to this Tapswap bot here. Go to the task and then under task you will see under special you will see connect to Solana option there. So click on this connect to Solana option here. I have the latest version, so I have Binance instead. So click on it and then you will see an option called start mission. So simply hit on the start mission. So when you hit on the start mission, it will take you to your Tapswap dashboard where you go to select the Solflare wallet. So you need to choose the Solflare wallet option and then just follow a few on-screen prompts there to get this connected. So in that way you'll be able to connect these Tapswap to your Solflare wallet. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.